Hello, it is Friday, December the 22nd. December 22nd, yay! I woke up with a red eye all week long. I wake up and either my eyes are swollen or they're red and I got a headache. I've had headaches for like 2 weeks now. It is rainy today, and sometimes when it rains, my allergies do kick up. So I don't know. If you don't like eye stuff, don't get grossed out. Look at my eye, especially this one. I don't know why my eye is like that, but I feel real plugged up today, real stuffy. But on a bright side, I have a unboxing for you. I have had this in my Amazon cart. Yes, that is a broom handle. For a long time. Okay, background. I love typing. I have loved typing since I was a kid. My dad worked in a really big office, and I would go to work with him on Saturdays or Sundays. I'd spend the whole day with him. But I would have to do my own thing because he was working. And there was a zillion typewriters. There were typewriters on almost every desk. And I would just type random stuff. I would play with the adding machines. There's a cat fight over here. Wait. No. Come on, go. Okay. And I have always loved typing. Even for Christmas one year, my parents got me a portable typewriter, and I used all the ribbons up in one night. I love typing. So I also type in my job. I've typed really in the jobs I've had. And I love typing on the typewriter. Yes, typewriters are going away, but I have a typewriter at work. And I do have a laptop at work, and I do have an iPad at home, and a laptop at home. I've got a desktop at home. I've got my cell phone. But I still love typing on a real typewriter. There's nothing like it. The sound, the keys are different. The keys are turned up like this, where on a laptop they're so flat. I just love typing. So when I saw the Quwerkywriter from Quirky Toys on Amazon, I'm like, oh my gosh. It is a keyboard. It's a keyboard that looks like a real typewriter. It does not, you can buy the number pads separate, which I don't really use that, so I didn't get it. So yes, I did buy the Quirky typewriter, but how much is it? It has been in my cart for such a long time because it is $249. Even on the Quirky Toys website, it is $250. So, needless to say, it's been in my cart a very long time. What it is Bluetooth. You can connect it to up to 3 devices. You can also plug it in with USB, and you can charge it. It's supposed to last like 6 months on a charge. It also has a little place behind the keys where you can rest your iPad. So you can turn your iPad horizontal or vertical, and you can type, and there's your iPad right there. I do have a stand that, I don't think I ever showed you guys a stand, but you can put an iPad on it or a phone, and so I might use it that way. But after a lot of consideration, back and forth, should I or shouldn't I, out of what else could I spend that money on, everything, I went ahead and got it. It took 2 days to get here. Got it from Amazon because it was also 20% off, which made it to 230 something, maybe. I don't know. But here it is. My Quwerkywriter typewriting keyboard. Let me get some scissors. I've got to get to work, and it's 6:30 right now, so we will do this. I do have my selfie stick, but it's my old one. Still can't find my new one. I have no idea. Whoops. You can also buy a carrying case for this, which is $129. I do have that in my car, not my cart, but in my wish list on Amazon. But I did not buy that. Okay. This is the Quwerkywriter. Now you're supposed to charge it. Believe me, where's my scissors? I have watched so many YouTube videos on this that you can't imagine. But I do know you're supposed to charge it before you use it. Charge it all the way. Let's see, what does the box say? Design in California. Typewriter inspired mechanical keyboard. Yeah. Okay, as I open this up, which you can't see, but I might see if you can see. I can't really see what you're seeing, so bear with me. This is how it comes. It's really padded in here. So the Quwerkywriter typewriter keyboard comes like this in plastic. As you can tell, it looks like a keyboard, like a typewriter. It's even got the return thing. You also get your cord, and you get some instructions. So let us get rid of this box or something. Try and do this with one hand. Oops, it's just like putting a pizza box back. It's like, it never works. Okay, there it goes. There it lays. Oh my gosh, it is heavy. It's got weight to it. It is made of metal. Here we go. It is beautiful. And as you can see, this right here is the space where you sit your iPad. My iPad is in that cabinet over there. So there is this cover, which I'm going to probably keep on it. There you go. So listen. Sounds like a typewriter. You have an enter key, backspace, delete over here. You have your F10s up here, and yeah, you've got everything you need. There's tab over here, caps, shift. So there is an on and off switch back here in the back. These actually do function. You can decide what you want it to do, but I've decided I'm just going to have it scroll up, and one side's the volume. So you can use this to return if you want, which I think I'm going to leave it like that. But it is beautiful. I am so glad I decided to do the deal. There you go. I love it. I can't wait to charge it up and get going on it. One reason that I kind of bought it is because I thought that maybe I could type quicker, which I am a very, not bragging, but I am a very fast typewriter person. I'm going to put all this back right now. I thought that I can use it to hook up to my phone and my iPad, and maybe do my scanner page a little quicker. I do use my phone for I have a please scanner page on Facebook that I report what's going on, and I thought that maybe that would help me with that. So let me put you back. Yes, I'm excited. I can't wait to get it going. You know, this weekend is so busy with Christmas and everything. I don't know when I'm exactly going to get this going. I still have some gifts to wrap. I've got to get to Walmart. I'm working today. I haven't decided if I want to take a half day off or not. I guess it kind of depends how it goes, how my eyes are, how I feel, how my headache is. So, my mouth is really dry right now. I do have some things to do. My daughter wants to come over and she wants me to do some paperwork with her for something. And I need to do laundry. My house is a wreck. So, needless to say, I have a bunch of stuff to do. So, I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do this. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sharing this with me. My Quwerkywriter typewriter inspired mechanical keyboard. I know I'm just gonna love it. I love it. Like I said, I've seen so many YouTube videos that I know this is for me. Yeah, perfect for me. I'm gonna hook it up to my phone, hook it up to my iPad, and I don't know if I want to hook it up to my laptop. There probably is no reason to. You know how small my desk is, and these cats, I don't want them to knock anything over. So I think it's just the two things I'm going to hook it up to. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you before Christmas. I have a Stitch Fix coming. It might be today. I'm not positive. I did an unboxing of some shoes. I also have an unpackaging of some clothes that I have bought into. So I'll try and get that in also. But thank you guys for watching. I got to get going to work. See you later.